Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Hafsa. I'm a third year medical student and it's exam season. And because it's exam season, what's better than to make videos related to exam things? And this video is dedicated to solving any math question. So for those of you who sometimes get thrown off because you've got this like random equation that popped up in your exam, this video is exactly what you need. I've used this method and so far I haven't had a single math question wrong. Let's go through a sample question together and I'll show you how even if you don't know the equation, you can still get the answer correct. A patient who weighs 60 kilograms is to be given a drug at 2 milligrams per kilogram. Stock strength is 40 milligrams per 2 mils. What volume of the drug should be given? Okay, I'm gonna change this into a text. Okay, so here we go. We've got this question in front of us, and let's say, I know some of you would know the equation and how to get the answer, but let's say you don't know what the equation would be. So first thing that you want to do is you want to identify what you need. You need the volume. And then you identify all the values that have been given in this question. So you've got 60 kilograms, that the patient weighs 60 kilograms. I'm just going to underline this. There's a drug dose at 2 milligrams per kilogram, and you've got a stock strength of 40 milligrams per 2 mil. So now I want you to ignore all the numbers and I want you to look at the units that are given in the question. So we've got kilogram, we've got mg per kg, and we've also got mg per mil. Now, I want you to identify which of these units can be used for volume. And in this particular example, you've got mils. So essentially, we want the answer in mils. The question hasn't stated if they want it in liters or milliliters, but because we've got milliliters as one of the units in the question, then that's what we're going to use. So you somehow want to get milliliters out of this. So we're going to use algebra right now. Okay, so to get milliliters, you want to cross out the kilograms and you want to cross out the milligrams. And you want mils to be the last man standing. So how you're going to do that is you've got milligrams per mil. If you want this on top, you just have to swap it around. So we've got mil per milligram. And then we want to cross out the milligram. So the second letter here is milligram per kilogram. And if we multiply it, then we can cross out the milligrams with each other. And then finally, we've got kilograms. So to get that out of the way, you want to multiply it by kilogram to get milliliters as the last man standing. So if we chuck in the numbers right now, so in the question, it's 40 milligrams over 2 mils. So now it's going to be 2 mils over 40 milligrams. And then for the mg per kg value, you've got 2 mils over 1 kilogram, and then you've got 60 kilograms. So if you cross these things out, you're going to get 4 times 60 over 40, and you've got 6 milliliters. Now, just to cross-reference it, for those of you who are freaking out there, I'm going to put in the actual equations. So the equation is stock required divided by stock strength times volume of stock. For the stock required, you want to get the patient's weight. So in this case, it's 60 kilograms times the drug dose. So in this case, you've got 2 milligrams per kilogram, and that is 120 milligrams. And then we divide stock required by stock strength times the volume. And in the question, it says 40 milligram per 2 mil, and the stock required is 120. So 120 divided by 40 times 2. And you've got 6 mils again. So I've used this so many times. I've used Algebra. Algebra has saved me so many times. And you know, if you've got a question in the exam and you don't know what to do, honestly, try it out. You've got nothing to lose. Good luck with your exams. I hope this helped you. And if you guys want any more videos about anything specific, feel free to film the form that's in the description below. And I'll catch you next week.